In this video, I'll show you how to insert paper inside of your HP Envi Inspire. Many models of Inspire are working the same way. So what you need to do is, well, take your stack of paper, open this tray, you just have to slide your finger right under here and pull it towards you. Now you're going to notice that if you put your fingers right over here, there is a secondary tray that is gray. This tray is only used if you intend to print on smaller paper, like 4x6, 5x5. Most people will print pictures on these smaller formats. If you want to print on US letter size paper over here, you can put this tray away. You can simply put it inside because this is where your regular paper goes. So you just have to pull also these two blue tabs on the sides. Take your paper and simply glide it in until you see it goes till the end, and this is it. Over here there's a line, maybe you do not see it clearly, but it says 8x5x11. This is letter size, but it can also fit A4, and some HP Envi Inspire printer can print on even longer paper simply by pulling a small blue tab over here and opening the end of this lid. This model does not have this feature, so that's why I cannot show it to you. But overall, this is it. Once you're done, you just need to put it all the way in, and yeah, that's all. It's really nice that over here they give you a small window where it shows how much paper is left in the tray. You don't have to open it every time to see if you need to refill it or not. You can see it at a glance simply by looking down on your printer. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.